Hello! Today is Tuesday, the 11th of March, is day 9 of my trip and I am now in Poitiers. This morning I'm waking up in Tours. I just have time to pack my bag and leave the accommodation. Bag's ready and I am ready to leave. Then I go straight to the bus station to take a BlaBlaCar bus from Tours to Poitiers. So sunny. I'm arriving at the bus station of Poitiers at noon and I just start walking toward the old city center. Stairs of the Devil. So that here is the church of Saint-Hilaire-le-Grand, so that's Saint-Hilaire the Great. Clovis, king of the Franks. This monument was dedicated to Saint-Hilaire, the first known bishop of Poitiers. By the time of his death in 368, a first chapel was built to house his grave. I will see when I get a chance to have lunch, but this afternoon I want to see the core of the city, the old streets and a few churches. That's the city hall with the city hall square. It's half red, half blue. Look at this blue sky, amazing. Little park there. Vers le palais des Ducs d'Aquitaine. So that's the church Notre-Dame-la-Grande, so Our Lady the Great. This church was built in the 11th century and consecrated by the future Pope. Yeah. Really beautiful facade. La Grande Rue, that's the Great Street, which was, I guess, the main street at some point in history. Those older streets are really super cute and they are rather calm too, which is very pleasant. A lot of little craft jobs, like this one is, how do you say that, tapissier, tapestry maker and decorator. It's not really too busy, it's not like one of those dead city center either. There are some really nice shops, it's really cute, really charming. Catholic Orthodox Church, but it looks not in use anymore. Looks a bit destroyed inside. So here is the Saint-Pierre Cathedral. So that's the Saint Peter, I guess in English. The building of this cathedral started in the middle of the 1150s at the time of Aliénor, Duchess of Aquitaine, and Henry II Plantagenet, King of England. Église Sainte-Radegonde. So that is the Sainte-Radegonde Church. Radegonde was born around 520 in Thuringia, a region of Germany. In 540 she married Clotaire, king of Soissons and son of Clovis, and became queen of the Franks. around 550, she decided to leave her husband and founded in 555 the Holy Cross Monastery, one of the first Marian convents of the Western world. I can only check in at the accommodation after 5 p.m, which means I have to carry my bags and I am exhausted. The accommodation should be somewhere there. It's finally 5 p.m. and I am reaching the accommodation. Look at this big guy. So that bridge is called Le Pont Joubert, so the Joubert Bridge. First recorded in 1083, Joubert Bridge was built near a ford across the river Clain. So that's the name of the river, Clain or Clain. It was the main access to Poitiers for a long time. Hey, ma. Alright, very nice. That's a new apartment for a few days, sorry. Time to go back out again to grab some dinner. I'm now back at the accommodation, but I am super tired, so I'm going to eat and rest. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you, bye!